Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Hey, good news. I do have a lot of videos coming your way. I'm just editing right now for the various shows, but I want to do a little giveaway right now because it is the Christmas season. Oh, the tree fell over in the windstorm the other day and the lights aren't working. But here we go, on with the giveaway. No way, are you kidding me? It's a Blackstone 36-inch Griddle air fryer combo ornament, a Blackstone ornament as a giveaway. That's right here on my YouTube channel. We'll give it away to anybody in the United States. Let's do United States. Let's do Canada as well. Why not? I mean, my goodness, we love our friends north of the border. You got to leave me a comment down below. You have to tell me something that makes me smile, makes me laugh, makes me feel like I want to give this to you. Keep it family friendly, obviously, because I reserve the right to delete your comment. And I would love to give this away to somebody out there, but leave me a comment down below. You have to give me a thumbs up. You have to be subscribed to the channel. There's easy stuff, the bare minimum. And I'll pick a winner and we'll send it your way. Let's look at what we're going for here and look at what we have going on in the competition. It's a beautiful 36-inch air fryer combo, and it is made spec. I don't know what the, you know how when you buy an RC car, they always say this is a 1/8 model. What would this be, Kim? I don't know. This is a 1 something. It's a small one. It's Blackstone's smallest griddle. But you can see it has some beautiful eggs on there, 4 strips of bacon, carrots, because you know everybody puts carrots with their eggs and their bacon, a couple of T-bone steaks, some burgers. It has the air fryer, the warming tray, the magnetic strip. It even has the hood on the back. I mean, it has everything. And I want to give one of these away to one of my subscribers. Down below, put a message. Give me a thumbs up. Obviously, make sure you're subscribed. And please get back to my last couple videos and check them out. Watch them. Get over to Let's Give It a Try on Blackstone social media. And stay tuned because I'll have more coming with the Ligero pizza oven. I have another video coming. I have a cheese curd, a deep fried cheese curd video on the Blackstone coming here soon. And all kinds of stuff over there. So until next time, everybody, I'm sure I'll talk to you, God willing. Before then, Merry Christmas and good luck winning this. Thanks for watching.